At Owens Corning, pink runs deep. It's more than a color. It's our promise.
The work we're doing and the products we are making are impacting our customers and they're changing the world.
A sign of our relentless commitment to improving homes and lives through science, creativity, and collaboration. A promise to deliver more than just high-performing insulation products, but whole home solutions and meaningful expert support that help advance our industry. And the reassurance of choosing a brand that delivers a material difference. Because we understand that where you live affects the way you live. At Owens Corning, we don't just make insulation. We make home a better place to be.